Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain you more about subject attendance. So this is my subject attendance page. To, to go to subject attendance, we'll click on attendance and select subject attendance. By default, in the subject attendance dashboard, it will show you the attendance report for which teachers or class and subjects attendance is not filled. So here we can see English is the subject, one red is my classroom, and Rupali Sharma is the teacher. And that teacher have not marked the attendance for 18th April and 19th April. And her lecture was from timing 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. In the same in the 19th of April, it is the same. Her timetable was scheduled from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. So in this way, you will get a short review that which teachers and which subjects and which class attendance are pending to mark in EduCloud system. So this is the first report over here. Second, here you will get the grid view for subject and class, where it will show you the report based on the timetable as well and in the matrix format with the color combinations. So here we can see different colors are there: red color, green color, then orange color, and maybe somewhere you can find blue color also. Yes, blue color. So each color has some indications behind that. We can see the color combination and reason behind that. So first it is red color. Red color means timetable slot available but attendance has not been taken. So 2nd of May, attend timetable was scheduled for English subject and grade 6, but teacher have not marked any attendance yet. Same in the case of second row, we can see here on 27th of April it's marked as red. That means on 27th of April, science subjects in 6th grade or the class name of 6th grade has not marked the attendance. Second one is green. So timetable slot available and attendance has been taken. That means, so here it is 28th of April. We can see the timetable was scheduled on 28th and attendance also has marked. Now third combination is orange color. Timetable slot and attendance are available, but attendance has not mapped with timetable slot. So in this case, timetable day also is there and attendance also is there, but the mapping of these two attendance is not done yet. So to make it green, we have to click on it. So make it green, we click on this attendance block. So it will show you the attendance. So we can see your attendance is already marked. These are the students who are absent in this lecture. And see, we can also see this lecture was conducted by Sarika ma'am and timing was 1 a.m. 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. So to mark this attendance and timetable, map this attendance and timetable, we'll click on lecture by this teacher. If there are multiple teachers for this same subject and same timetable slot, it will display all the name of the teacher. In case that in some scenarios it happens that during the one day there are two lectures of same subjects, it will show both the lecture timing also over here. So accordingly you should map your timetable and attendance and click on update. So it will update my attendance. So we can see my this timetable block is marked as green. In this way, the third color combination was orange. The last is blue color. The blue timetable slot not available, but attendance has been taken. So there was a one attendance we can see over here, blue. In this case, timetable was not scheduled for this Marathi subject in grade 9, but teacher has marked attendance for this particular day. So this day is 28th of April. So we to make it green, either we have to confirm that timetable is not created and we have to create a timetable, or else if the attendance is marked on the wrong day, we will have to correct that attendance, right? So this is a basic understanding of the subject attendance. To know more about all other details, view our next video explaining about the attendance report from subject attendance. If you have any more query or facing any problem, reach us at support@educloud.in. Thank you.